How to delete Gmail promotions all at once. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up your Gmail. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner. From there, click on promotions. You will get to this section right here, in which you will be able to delete all of the promotions on your Gmail. So what you need to do from here is you need to click and hold on every Gmail promotion, as you can see. And once you have selected the number that you want, just click on the trash icon or the delete option at the top right corner, this one, and they will be deleted. And you can do the same for all of your promotions. Now unfortunately, as of right now, there is no like one option to just like delete them all in one click. However, this method right here will not take as much, as you can see. If you can like say few minutes per day, then you can get a lot of them pretty quickly deleted. And hopefully in the future, Gmail will provide a feature that can delete them all in one click. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove promotions on Gmail fast. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.